clearly a blizzard. No, I think it's like a snowstorm in my place. Like, look at that. Literally, the snow is hitting the ground like 30 miles per hour. 30 to 40 miles per hour at least. Dude, there is so much snow. This is the second time that we had like a big snowstorm in January in my area. Oh my god, bro. Yo, bro, look at that. Okay, it's not that impressive, but like sometimes the snow will fall around like 40 miles per hour. That is definitely like a snowstorm. Like my driveway's already covered with snow. It's only been like 20 minutes since this started. Dude, the roads are starting to get covered. Look, like, dude, the snow is falling heavy now. And like, it's honestly just very crazy. Like, subscribe, and comment down below if it's snowing in your area or snowing this heavily, because yeah, it's happening again. Happened on the 6th of January. It's gonna happen again right before my birthday. Anyways, like and subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Bye.